Hi, I'm Cam from money.co.uk and I'm here to teach you how to speak credit cards. Today we're talking about Air Miles credit cards. These products are designed to offer people with them the chance for free flights, free business and first class upgrades and other travel perks. You earn rewards by spending money on the cards, with bigger rewards for spending on certain things or at certain times. When you have enough points built up, you can exchange them for travel benefits like free upgrades, companion tickets and more. The cards can also come with permanent benefits, such as early lounge access to airports or early access to events and discounts on services. But you need to be careful about how you use them to make sure you don't end up paying fees in return for nothing. The first thing you want to decide is who you want to fly with. That's because different airlines have their own point systems, with very few cards offering the ability to fly with more than one. So if you're a British Airways fan, you need to look for Avios or Nectar points. The good news is that this also works with other members of the One World Airlines group, including American Airlines, Iberia and Qantas. People looking to fly on Virgin Atlantic should take out one of their cards instead, which are offered by Virgin Money. American Express offers cards that can be used on several different airlines, as well as ones that offer Avios if you want to keep your options open. The second thing to look at is the fee. The cards that offer the best rewards often come with the annual fee. That means you need to be very careful, otherwise you could quickly find yourself paying more in fees than you get in rewards. Generally, these are only suitable for people who will be spending an awful lot of money on the card. And finally, you need to make sure you pay off the balance in full each month on your card. That's because if you don't, you could end up being charged more in interest than you get back as Air Miles. That's it from me today. For more information about Air Miles credit cards, as well as a look at some of the deals we currently have available, head to money.co.uk.